Digital marketing is evolving at a rapid pace and becoming increasingly important for small businesses to leverage in order to stay relevant in today's digital environment. Hey guys, Stuart here, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing well. Now today I'm excited to share my top 5 digital marketing strategies for small business in 2021. Okay, so before we launch into these leading digital marketing strategies, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to grow your small business online. And with that happy note, let's go ahead and transform your small business with our top 5 digital marketing strategies in 2021. Okay, so getting straight into it, the first digital marketing strategy that we want to cover today is getting involved in email marketing, and more specifically email automation. If you're currently not involved in email marketing, I suggest you consider getting started with email marketing right away. Now you can use tools like MailChimp, which is a great email marketing and automation platform that's ideal for small businesses. Or if you own an online store, you sell products online, then you can use Klaviyo, another great email marketing tool. Now with both these tools, what you can do is set up automations, email sequences, and essentially when someone performs a specific action on your website, for example, they submit a form, their information into a form, and then you send welcome emails and other automations. Or if someone purchases a product on your website, or they bounce out of the cart and they don't actually spend any money, then you have a sequence in place. And this is the power of email marketing. So what you want to do is build up an email list, and then you can create newsletters, automations, sell products and services through your valuable email list. This is one of the most important online assets you can have. For example, let's say that your website goes down, or you can't access your social media, or for some reason you've lost access to social media. How are you going to communicate your brand, your business, products and services with your customers? Well, if you have an email list, then you can continue engaging with your audience. So again, if you're currently not engaging in email marketing and you're looking to get started, I suggest looking at MailChimp if you're a small and local business, or Klaviyo if you sell products online. Okay, now the second digital marketing strategy that's going to be vital for small businesses as we move into the future is video marketing. If you're currently not engaging in video marketing, I highly recommend you get started right away. This is a great way to educate your customers, potential customers, on your products and services, what your business is all about. It's essentially a great way to build your credibility and authority with your audience. And more specifically, within the realm of video marketing, you want to focus on vertical format videos. So this is on Instagram stories, Reels, Facebook stories, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Vertical content videos are becoming extremely important through all these different platforms. So what you can do is capture your audience's attention by simply creating video content in vertical format from your smartphone. Now you can also use tools like Canva, which is a free design tool that you can use to edit and create your videos in vertical format. Now you can also use InVideo, that allows you to create videos in minutes by using professional pre-made video templates in vertical format, or creating your own videos from scratch. Vertical format video content is on the rise, and you want to capture your audience's attention, so you need to start engaging in video marketing. Now, the next digital marketing strategy that we want to discuss today is SEO, search engine optimization. Now, there's nothing new about SEO. SEO has been around for a long time. However, today, with the increased level of competition across different industries, it's important to increase your exposure on search engines like Google. What you want to do is rank in the top 3 spots on the first page of Google, and you can do this with SEO. Now, we've created videos on how you can get started with SEO. What I'll do is link one of those videos up above that will help you get started with SEO in 2021. And with this digital marketing strategy, what you want to do is integrate this into your marketing plan, because where are your customers looking? Most likely they're looking on the first page of Google for products, services for your business type. And by focusing on SEO, and in particular content marketing, so creating content on your website, you can start ranking higher in search engines for those specific keywords that your customers are typing in and searching for on Google. And remember, or if you didn't know already, Google is the #1 search engine on the planet. So you want to make sure that you're showing up on Google when people are trying to find your products, services, or your business type. And next, we want to talk about another digital marketing strategy that's been around for a long time, and this is Google Ads, PPC, pay per click advertising. Now, Google Ads is a powerful digital marketing strategy because what you can do is pay to appear at the top of the first page of Google search where your customers are looking. And again, if you want to learn more about Google Ads, what I'll do is pop a Google Ads tutorial for beginners up above that will guide you through how you can optimize and utilize your Google Ads to drive business sales, leads, phone calls, and foot traffic through to your business. Now, an effective strategy that we execute for our clients is called the triple threat strategy. What this is complementing Google Ads with SEO. So remember, SEO, search engine optimization, is a digital marketing strategy that we just talked about. And the whole idea of the triple threat strategy is engaging in SEO, search engine optimization, ranking on the first page of Google search, and then engaging in Google Ads. And basically what this is going to do is increase your exposure of your website on the first page of Google search. And this will ultimately drive more leads, phone calls, bookings, and foot traffic to your business. Okay, now last but not least, the final digital marketing strategy for small business that we want to discuss today is micro-influencer marketing. Now, this is becoming increasingly important by leveraging and partnering with different micro brands, micro-influencers across different platforms. This allows you to reach specific and relevant audiences that are most likely to buy your products or services. Because what you're doing is partnering with these micro brands, these influencers that have already established a strong connection with their micro audience, their smaller audience. Because with these micro influencers, small brands, they've already established a strong, loyal following and community that you can reach and capture because that micro influencer, small brand, has already built that relationship with that audience. So that audience already respects that brand and they're most likely to buy through that brand without that audience knowing too much about your brand or even needing to do any research because they have that trust, that relationship with that influencer, that micro influencer, that personal or small brand. And to create these micro-influencer partnerships, what you need to do is actively research across all these different social media platforms and find individuals, personal brands, micro-influencers that have a relevant audience that are interested in your products or services. So this is a great way to build brand awareness and exposure, partnering with micro-influencers. And that is it for today's brief digital marketing tutorial for beginners. Now, if you have any questions about these strategies, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value from these digital marketing strategies, make sure to pop a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.